Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, May 18th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post attendance. PST is coming up soon. All PST documentation should be current. Library. The library is closed for inventory. Please make sure you send any and all library books to the library as soon as possible. Also, if you have lost a book and you need to pay for it, please make sure that you send that money as soon as possible so you will get your fourth quarter report card. Please make sure that you send this money in. We just have a few more days of school left, so take care of all outstanding things. Also, all reading textbooks must be returned to the library this Friday. Teachers may send them down on a cart. Also, teachers, be on the lookout for PST information coming soon. All SRIPs and SIPs should be updated with HMH, iReady, and progress monitoring data. Grades, also teachers, grades should be entered in Schoology and synced to PowerSchool. Please, please, please begin syncing now so that you do not have to stay late on the last day of school. Please go ahead and make sure you have as many grades in as possible and go ahead and get those to start syncing. If you have any issues, please let me know and I will be happy to help you. Late duty today is Miss Washam, tomorrow is Miss Wolf, and Friday is Miss Heichman. Important dates. This week we have our summative conferences with Miss Linscomb. May 18th, PST and Volunteer Appreciation Brunch. That's today. May 19th, Math PLT. May 24th, Class Party Day and 5th Grade Transition Program. May 26th is the last day for students. May 27th is Teacher Work Day. AR Superstars who have met their quarter goal: Arch Emery Thomas, Barnes Raven Murphy, Bertolino Damani Richardson, Lee has 100%, Madeline Breland, Skylar Clark, Antone, Callie Davidson, Kyler Ejobi, Carter Forrest, Breland Hobby, Roderick Johnson, Janae Julian, Paitlin Law, Colton Milam, Raven Murphy, that can't be right, Jackson Pitts, Caitlin Robinson, Cashton Williams, Drace Williams. Washam Natasha Jefferson. Miss Smith will come around with the AR cart to bring you your prizes. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.